In this video, I am going to show you how to add a video component in Glide. First, open your Glide app where you want to include the video. After that, head over to the Layout section and select the specific screen for the video. I have created a new screen for this demonstration. Once you are ready to add the video component, locate the Components section on the left-hand side of your screen. Click the plus icon here and type video into the search box. The video component will appear, and you can click it to add it to your layout. By default, Glide inserts a placeholder video. To replace it with your own, paste the link for your video in the right-hand side video box. You can use links from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. Once the link is inserted, your video will appear in the layout, and you can click the play button to test it. If you want to remove the default controls displayed at the bottom of the video, toggle off the Show Controls option on the right-hand menu. This will ensure only the video plays without any additional controls visible. Additionally, if your video is in a different resolution and not the standard 16:9 aspect ratio, you can adjust the aspect ratio from the right-hand menu to ensure it displays correctly. These options allow you to fully customize how your video appears in Glide. This is how you can add a video component in Glide.